Alright guys, so we just hopped off the bus. We only have like 25 minutes here, so call it 20 minutes. Time to get back. But we're in Valladolid right now and it's really beautiful. As Judah said, we have clock tower over here, so we have Hero Circle back away. Yeah, it does feel like it, but it's a lot more of a open space. It feels much grander, you know, so that's a great vibe about it.
That means that she wants a little vlog home. Wait. Oh, them not here because my headphones are on, but she said hi vlog.
Yeah, so that's a vibe. What else? Yep. Yeah, we're heading to get some churros. That's the vibe right now. There's a Catholic church that you can go into and take pictures and all that and go up and get some panorama. Yeah, I'm just into the churros. That's what I kind of really want. So
alright.
Yeah, getting some churros right now.
They'll go on exercise. Yeah, we like cameraman, we like some couple body.
Alright, so there appears to be some kind of a line for the churros, but yeah, that must mean it's good. Quite a few people here, so awesome. So I can tell you this, guys, whenever you're doing reviews on like trips and whatever, it's not often good to really read everybody's reviews, especially the persons who give it like a 1-star or a low star, because some persons are very picky. Like when I was reading reviews for this, some persons were saying, oh, you know, they stop for a short space at certain spots. For me, I think it's ample time, because once you get to know the general idea of a place doing the tours and stuff, then maybe in future you can do it on your own. Because yo, we've been on the road for about, it's a 10-hour tour in general, like from travel to stops and stuff like that. I don't think you need more than that. And if you look at the time right now, it is 6:14, so we're gonna get back to our hotel area in like 8:40. Everything is reasonable. The tour guides have been awesome. They've been perfect, and I think I can't complain about this tour. The tour is awesome.
Alright.
So to save time, we're just pretty much doing divide and conquer. So Judah had gone over there to get the corn thing, and I'm in the churros line, you know. So we get a chance to try 2 different things. But yo, there are persons over there who are, yeah. As I said before, if you do tours like this, then maybe next time you can come to Valladolid and you can have a familiarity with the place already, because already I can tell that I would love Valladolid when it comes down to like the street food. A lot more vibrancy already compared to where I'm at in Cancun.
I bought the corn itself.
Alright, so Judah came with this
like,
thing.
I mean soft off, but it's still good. Yeah. You know, like when the corn at the party or something, that's a texture. Yeah. But it's still good.
Wow. Banging, man. Yo, that was awesome. What I like about the corn is that it's not the type of soft American sweet corn. It feels like an actual Jamaican corn. And the spice in it of it is really good, and that cheesy mayo type of vibe. I think I'm gonna like that more than the churro. I might just get one for myself as well. But oh, pointer. The reason why we only stopped here for about 25 minutes is because they were saying the police don't like when the buses park up on the roadside, so just give us a very short time so that we can do what we have to do, then move on. So that's the reason why we're here for only a short space of time.
Yeah, I don't know if I'll look through. Oh, it's like
Alright, so finally it's our turn. Yay!
Hola.
Hola. ¿Cuánto costó? 30? 30? Can I get, what do you want, babe? Huh? Without nothing?
I don't know. Yeah.
Can I get,
Probably a little caramel. Probably a little caramel. Latte caramel?
See? Yeah.
I don't like the color. I don't want to try strawberry.
Drip, drip. Drip, drip. Thank you. Gracias. Wow. This is awesome. Look at that.
Cheers.
Alright, so we got some churros here. Alright, so that corn thing, I'm digging it more than churros. I love churros, but that corn thing was fire. So.
What's the last station? Okay, excited.
Amigos, almuerzo.
Yeah.
Oh, ¿verdad?
¿Se sirve qué?
Yeah, sí.
Why don't you vlog this? What did I decide first, I guess?
With everything, minus time. With everything. Same. Okay.
Hola.
Thank you, sir.
Medio.
Wow. I got one! Hey. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
You too. Yeah. Why? What's up there?
Alright, I can tell you already, I'm coming back to Mexico again. Like, Valladolid, it's a whole vibe. It's a whole vibe here in Valladolid. I haven't even explored much of Cancun as yet, but you know, yeah, it's a vibe here. I really like it.
Yo, muy bien. Yo. Damn, slap. And it's so warm. They have to pay for?
Alright, so we're at a sort of small part here where they sell stuff where, yeah, it seems Jamaican. Well,
Yeah, like
peanut brittle or peanut, yeah, whatever.
you know?
It's a vibe, I like that.
Like that's when the whole bright spot go out and have them girls there and whatever.
So here is the estate where lovers sit. So one lover there, one lover there. And so the benches over here are for the chaperones.
That's
So, you know, no more than kissy or what, well, no kissy at all. But yeah, the S chairs,
Oh, that's okay.
pretty awesome, pretty cool.
Are you gonna sit down in it?
Yeah. But this time we're gonna break the rules. Kissy.
We're not supposed to kiss?
I never said you're not supposed to kiss.
Oh,
We're breaking the rules.
what rules?
Come. Yeah. But it was a chair for like the younger, you know, younger lovebirds or whatever the case is. This right here, my friend, is not food. That's our classic gray hair, boy. All right, we have to leave now.
That is good. So that is the dress.
The church here is beautiful.
The makeup.
Bye.